Hello. So this is the thing. There's problems with this is not playing the rest of the set. So we're gonna try to work it out and figure it out because I really want to perform for you guys, but as of right now, it's not gonna happen. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. So what? So this is what I'm gonna do. The first person to meet me on the bar, shots on me. How's that? All right, yeah.
I don't think we're happy.
Tequila. Okay, the first 5.
Oh, that's not nice. Did you hear that? What did you say? You suck. It's not her fault.